Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchendur. Today we will be studying the classification and design of water tanks, an essential topic in civil engineering related to water storage systems used in residential, industrial and municipal infrastructures. In this unit, we will cover introduction to water tanks, classifications of water tank, design of circular water tank, design of rectangular water tank resting on ground, underground water tank, and let's begin with the understanding what is water tank and why it is needed. A water tank is a structure used to storage water from various purposes such as domestic use, industrial process, irrigation, and firefighting. It ensures continuous water supply during periods of peak demand or supply interruptions. The need of water tank arises from balancing water demand and supply, storing water for daily usage, to provide water during power failures or interruptions, to meeting the firefighting requirement. Some various common uses of water tanks are residential building, industrial plants, public work supply systems, hospital and institutions. Water tanks are classified based on the locations and shapes. Based on locations, ground level water tank rest directly on the ground, used for larger storage. Um, Underground water tank constructed below ground, used where space is limited. Next is the elevated water tank, raised above ground on stacking, supply water by gravity. Based on shape, circular water tank and rectangular water tank. Circular water tank is the uniform stress distribution, economical for larger capacities, whereas in the rectangular water tank, easy to construct, suitable for the small capacities. Common materials used in water tanks constructions includes reinforced cement concrete (RCC), most common, strong, durable, and suitable for all types of uh, uh, case studies. Here it is precast concrete used for larger capacity tanks, control cracking. Next is the steel used for the temporary or small tanks, requires regular maintenance. As far as the masonry is concerned, used for smaller underground tanks, not suitable for larger storage. Uh, these are all the assumptions for the designing of water tanks. The following assumptions are made while designing water tanks. Water pressure acts uniformly on the wall. The tank is should be leak proof. The material should be homogeneous and isotropic. Tensile strength of the concrete is neglected here. Cracks are controlled by the reinforcement. Design follows the working stress method. Temperature and shrinkage effects are considered here. A circular water tank has a circular plan and is subjected to hoop tension due to water pressure. Reinforcement is provided primarily to resist the tensile stress. Some main features are uniform stress distribution, economical for larger capacity, and minimum bending moment. The types includes resting on ground, underground, and elevated tanks. Uh, Design considerations, the tank capacity has to be considered, diameter and height of the tank, water pressure at various depths, hoop tension in the wall, thickness of wall and the base slab. Some design steps for the designing of water tanks are fixed tank dimension based on the capacity, calculate water pressure at various different uh, depths, compute hoop tension, designing wall reinforcement, designing the base slab. A rectangular water tank has a rectangular or square plan. Water pressure causes bending and direct tension in the wall with high stress concentration at corners. Some of the main features are You see, it is easy to construct, suitable for strong, small or two medium capacities. It requires more reinforcement than the circular tank. Some wall behaviors are long wall bends horizontally, short wall bends the vertically. Design of rectangular water tanks. Some of the design considerations are the capacity of the tank, length, breadth, and depth, which means volume of the tank, water pressure on the wall, bending moment in acts on the wall, thickness of wall, and the base slab. Here also some design steps are there. First one is the fixed tank dimensions has to be calculated. Calculate the water pressure on the wall. Next step has to be design long or short walls separately. Design the base slab, providing special corner reinforcement. These are all the design steps for the rectangular water tank. These tanks rest directly on the ground, with the base slab supported by soil pressure. They are suitable for larger capacity. So here some design considerations are there. Safe bearing capacity of the soil has to be satisfied. Uniform settlement should not be any non-uniform settlement, uneven settlement. Thickness of base slab has to be calculated here. Water tightness has to be considered. Some of the advantages of water tank resting on the grounds are economical, easy to construct, and low maintenance. Underground water tanks are constructed below ground level, ideal where land space is limited. Walls and base rest internal water pressure and external earth pressure. Some of the design considerations are earth pressure on the wall, groundwater uplift pressure, safe bearing capacity of the soil, waterproof, and drainage. Some of the advantages are safe surface land, protected from temperature changes, low visual impacts. Some of the disadvantages also there. Higher construction cost, difficult maintenance, require effective and waterproofing. Advantages and limitations of the water tanks. Advantages are ensures continuous water supply, meets emergency and firefighting needs, suitable for domestic and industrial use, can be constructed in various shapes and locations. The limitations are require regular maintenance, leakage may occur if not proper design, construction cost increases with capacity, underground tanks need proper waterproofing. Some important IS code and design guidelines relevant to IS code for water tank design. IS 3370 from part 1 to 4, code of practice for concrete structure for storage of liquids. Part 1 are general requirement. Part 2 reinforced concrete structure. Part 3 pre-stressed concrete structure, and part 4 for the design tables. Some design guidelines are water tanks are designed using the working stress method. Permissible stress are kept low to control cracking. Concrete is assumed in weak in tension, and adequate reinforcement cover and water stops are essential. This is all the quick summary for the comparison of circular water tank and the rectangular water tank. The stress distributions are uniform here, it is non-uniform. Main stress or hoop tensions are there, here it is bending and direct tension. Reinforcement are less, and for a rectangular tank it has to be more. Economically it is more economical for circular tank. It is economical when compared to the circular. Rectangular is very economical. In this summary, water tanks are a critical storage structure that ensures reliable water supply. Some key takeaways are classified by location and shapes. Circular water tank resist hoop tension. Rectangular tanks resist bending and tension. Design follows IS 3370 using the working stress method. Proper waterproofing and detailing are essential for durability. I hope this session provides a solid foundation for designing safe and efficient water tank. Thank you for your attention.